Which are the best beard trimmers of 2025? With so many options out there, it can be hard to pick the right one, but finding the perfect model is actually pretty simple. Each trimmer offers something different, but which one is best for you? In this video, we're going to check out the top 5 beard trimmers on the market and help you figure out which one is the best fit. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5, Panasonic Arc5. If you're someone who always wants a smooth, perfect shave, the Panasonic Arc5 might be exactly what you're looking for. If you're after a razor that can get every little hair, you'll be hard-pressed to find anything better. This electric shaver gives you a shave that's as close as it gets, even with daily use. Sometimes it can be tough to find a razor that gives you that super close shave, but the ARC5 doesn't disappoint. If you want a shave that leaves no stubble behind and feels smooth, this razor's performance will not let you down. Sure, it's a bit on the pricey side, but when you consider its amazing features, durability, and performance, it's definitely worth the investment. In short, if you're looking to take your shave to the next level, the Panasonic ARC5 will not disappoint. Its price may be higher, but its performance justifies it, making your shaving experience way more enjoyable. Number 4, Moser 1400 Pro. When it comes to haircuts, it's not just a task, it's an art. And to master that art, you need the right tool. The Moser 1400 Pro is exactly what you need. With German engineering and a sleek design, this high-performance hair clipper is a favorite among professional barbers. Thanks to its powerful electric motor, it delivers high torque and cutting power for all hair types. It cuts fast and smoothly, giving you perfect results every time. You can adjust the cutting length to 5 different settings, from 0.7 millimeters to 3 millimeters, so you can get the exact style you want. The 46 millimeter full metal blade set stays sharp for a long time, thanks to its diamond grinding technology, ensuring top-notch cuts. Plus, its ergonomic design and stylish look make every use comfortable and easy. If you're looking for high quality and performance in your haircuts, the Moser 1400 Pro is definitely the way to go. Number 3, Philips OneBlade 360. If you're looking for speed and comfort in your shaving routine, the Philips OneBlade 360 has got you covered. With its upgraded ergonomic design and more durable attachments, this sleek little device delivers a top-notch shaving and trimming experience at a budget-friendly price. Plus, it's super lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. Now, here's something to keep in mind. If you plan to use the OneBlade 360 regularly, especially for thick facial hair or body grooming, you might want to prepare your wallet. The replacement blades tend to wear out pretty quickly, and they're not exactly cheap. But when you compare the price to the performance, it's still a solid deal. Bottom line, the Philips OneBlade 360 is an awesome choice if you want a fast, efficient, and hassle-free shaving experience. If you're after a stylish and practical grooming tool, this one's worth checking out. Number 2, Braun Series 7. Got no time but need a perfect shave? The Braun Series 7 has got you covered with its fast charge, flawless shave, and portable design, keeping you ready for a shave anytime, anywhere. A few minutes to charge, seconds to shave. Even if you're rushing in the morning, it's ready in no time. Thanks to its super fast charging, you'll never be late for a smooth shave. Sleek and compact. Toss it in your travel bag, take it on a business trip, or pack it for your weekend getaway. The Braun Series 7 gives you a top-notch shave without taking up space. No need for shaving foam or brushes, just a smooth shave. In just a few minutes, you get a perfectly smooth shave without any irritation. Even when you're pressed for time, your look stays sharp. Perfect shave every time. With its skin-friendly tech, the Braun Series 7 adapts to every curve of your face, giving you a flawless shave with zero irritation. Bottom line, less hassle, better look. Braun Series 7 brings together speed and quality. Ready to give it a try? Number 1, Braun Series 9. Can a shaver really do more than just shave? The Braun Series 9 Pro does exactly that. This tech-packed device follows every contour of your face, giving you a level of comfort you've never experienced before. So what's the secret behind this shaver? With its 5-blade cutting head and sensor technology, it gives you the closest shave possible, effortlessly gliding over your skin. Plus, the power case keeps your shaver fully charged, ensuring long-lasting use. Of course, all this tech doesn't come cheap. The $379.99, around 510 pounds or 799 Australian dollars, price tag might seem steep. But don't worry, Braun regularly runs discounts, so you can snag this amazing gadget for a more affordable price. If you're looking to take your shaving game to the next level and always get perfect results, the Braun Series 9 Pro is exactly what you need.